Which animal cannot move backwards? B. Kangaroo. How many hours does a koala sleep a day? C. 20. What is a baby rabbit called? B. Kitten. Like, comment, follow